this prosecution moves away from the BP spill's environmental and economic impacts. Instead, it addresses the preventable deaths of 11 people. Bob Kaluza oversaw safety for BP aboard the Deepwater Horizon when the rig exploded.
I did not cause this tragedy. I'm innocent, and I put my trust, reputation, and future in the hands of the judge and the jury.
Donald Vedrine, another BP senior supervisor aboard the rig, also pleaded not guilty. They were in charge of a test that indicated combustible gas had seeped into the well. The indictment alleges Kaluza and Vedrine didn't call engineers on shore to discuss the abnormal readings as required. Instead, they allowed work on the well to go on. Hours later, volatile gas came up the well and exploded.
I'm angry that the two middle management guys are going to take the fall.
Stephen Stone, a worker on the Deepwater Horizon, escaped on a lifeboat. He's haunted by memories of fellow workers, some injured, others jumping 60 feet into the Gulf.
I used to be a really happy guy, and now I'm just angry all the time.
Sean Clark, Bob Kaluza's lawyer, says someone should be held accountable, just not his client.
Is your client a scapegoat?
Yes, he is. Absolutely.
Stone believes the two rig supervisors should be prosecuted, but also thinks BP's senior leaders have got away scot-free.
We'll send these guys to jail while we're sitting here, collecting our cash and laughing all the way to the bank, Until those guys realize that when they do this stuff, they could actually go from sleeping in silk sheets to sleeping in a jail cell. It's not going to change.
A third BP employee, a former executive, also faced obstruction of justice charges here for allegedly lying about how much oil was gushing into the Gulf. Kaluza and Vedrine Scott could face 10 years in prison on each manslaughter charge.
Also today, Mark, the Obama administration banned BP from getting any new contracts to drill on federal property. The administration said BP showed, quote, a lack of business integrity.